Testing mic 1 2 1 2. I go by the name Watu Motor General aka social media president aka political general aka Kumasi Mayo. First time you subscribe to the YouTube channel, leave your comment and share. Watu Motor Friday be about 4 to 6 p.m. More Angel FM mene act the unpredictable and entertainment drive or Angel FM Friday be Watu Motor metenase mene act the unpredictable, the biggest boss himself. Friday be for video to sana oba eye Kumasi ha. Me media above for being so masima dwumadi ni yehu. Ama mwen hu social media so Kemensa Stabilo Trees, the number 1 lotto agent in the whole Kumasi. Oba eye Kwabre South na Kemensa Stabilo Trees. Eye lotto ne dia jack watu atwene. Wasi dimi billions. On the timi from no sumoto me se boss wade. Was lotto no boys ni ndio sika ne ta ho. Hey Kemensa, wasi sika ne ta ho nti boys ni ntwa lotto no mu ni sika ni nyina. Hey, de ma Kemensa ehu yehu na ni sika ta ho ni. Oba Kumasi na ope lotto operators hu pa omo Kumasi lotto ekoswa Mr. Frank, the biggest man himself, alongside Hot Big Adams. Sakuku da miye ehye wochi ma wo lotto a uni size. Sakuku da miye se na ehye Kemensa Stabil echi no. E dey timi from se sika guo se tam man fondi fo so se sika guo ho yantam ko ho ba ko hu trailer ko hu nana boys ni nyina gu ho nana ya bo a mo mu de wom anye Kemensa Stabilo Trees omu nyina mu nkoda nche wate ase eno eye Kemensa Stabilo Trees owa Francho Bronco Junction ko no ko twa lotto hu lotto kios bia so etwe ni mu Kemensa Stabilo Trees twa ba ho udi billions e be kan sika ma sa so na Prestige Court eye bia e je ahome kokoko be New Side Junction na koda eye Prestige Court me se ho no enye mox bia na nye asori bia na ebe nyane bia wa obeda nyane hotel aye danyane hotel bu a oda amafo ne benya no mo se nyane wa asori benya no ba Prestige Court ye nyane sa e wo kokko be New Side Junction koda kama pa sa na Rogers Beauty Palace ahofefi e basa obanye acrylics obanye makeups obanye wash enye Rogers Beauty Palace ato atwe e wa Francho Sechewa Bank Station na din hwani mo kona Rogers Beauty Palace ensesi sa so na eye kusi casual e ba eye fashion mu a se empam atade so material so ni material kokusi casual or bantam masalachi da wana kon empam de fe kaftan African wear de hu ni fan shop uhumia a video reaction me dwumade ye din di atija yenko first video of a Stonebowy Benetton first video Stonebowy Benetton sane Chingching ene the superstar shampoo asa miti yenko video ni mresi adena de sanity o faso sanity o ye adwuma ni yenko ade a atase on Stonebowy shampoo asa hu no reconnecting o say sure mo hu no hwere Bible no ka sen ka shampoo hu Stonebowy na Stonebowy enye bibi mia ma no ho after the collabo no nye hwere o ka sen ka shampoo kan ni baji sei obia be pese ono wo ya ade a obehia na wo tumpon what I say big up Stone God why ni nyina see ni there you are there big up you do welcome back guys. See na caption it you say the moment Stonebowy saw shampoo and Chingching at California ahead of Calivibes festival. What I say? We know na you can see more na Stone God, Stonebowy, that shaman boy. Na obebo program bi ewo California. What I say? US and common need. Na Chingching. Jamaica for now pass it through. Now also who says Sean Paul. Omu nyina da show no so na omu who Stonebowy no from afar na Sean Paul man Stonebowy who say hey I've seen you because you are working. Say who here adwuma say if you are on course you meet great people and great people soon omu say hey you are on course. See the rate and I see the way Sean Paul Emma Stonebowy who say he's doing great things. The way Osman and DJ and yes collabo until after collabo no who say Stonebowy is doing great things. Now I feel a whole stadium. Okay, so we in part a whole stadium. Stonebowy I feel Stonebowy is doing great things for himself. What I say and the beam nation and the beam native ni na. What I say into here video not to say love, the love is there. Sean Paul Chingching alongside the Stonebowy. What I say music ni say no say tutumpon tutu akwan say na mani age. Ghana music is traveling, is going places. Stonebowy e ka ho bi. She may be a Stone God and a nam. because of Ghana music. He is traveling with Ghana music or selling Ghana music all the globe. That's Stone God. He's really working. You guys can testify to that. Say Stoneboy is not sleeping. Stoneboy is one artist here. You can call say hard worker. He know the sleep 247. Stone God is somewhere playing shows, whether he does studio. Stone God is doing something for himself and his beam natives. What I say? Or achieve great things. Me say you say collabo no tunche ye hu amafo be be mo fire collabo they don't even get chance to meet them and omusho because they don't show ibia ba hwe the rater Sean Paul was feel vibe no. You get it? Because always Stonebowy na he is doing great things. He is going far. Sean Paul no kra me ni say bia no kwa feel stadium da. I will know. Ye hu bi da ent bi da. What I say? But where say one boy, what my Philly whole stadium, he's doing great things. My guy. Yeah. Let's call the spade a spade, not a teaspoon. Stonebowy is working for himself. And now good. The Sean Paul and anybody. Sean Paul will be very happy any day when Stonebowy because when we say from day one, from any day when we be improvement in the corner. You get it? When we say Stonebowy ain't sleepy, he don't sleep. On think say we blown to order. On think say when you collaborate into order, he is still out there working. Stonebowy, no. Into where Sean Paul and you just say, oh, this guy is really working. After collaborating or quite up and down. We Chingching. So if I forgot Chingching kwa na video, camera video. We great things as how Chingching onya artist ketwa. He's a great artist. Ade Chingching in batwa. But when you phone video Sean Paul beam. Say na your panel Ghana industry say na your panel because I be your music lecturer. Ghana music na me na me control. And this a say no ma be say ba na mani age. Beef ni de enkoda nchen. Yen promote peace, yen promote great things. Stonebowy, you are doing it. Ghana nyina say you are doing it because enye easy. Hey, ade ya obi wa ye hu bi. Omu di agro. O kan ma onka. But say we fa dey serious now ya dey na. May God bless you. It should keep you moving. Normal life, normal strength because you so bet my yam na bro so. E dey here what to generate social media preke ko massive mayor aka political general. First time you subscribe, leave your comment and share. You create a video of Stonebowy and Chingching and Sean Paul or meet California for program festival which is Calivibes festival and easy. You create another post. Se me dwumadie abophobia da Roma came as stabilo trees kusi casual Rogers Beauty Palace Prestige Court and some asama me dwumadie bro yanko post we post online na a fight between a Prophet Odro and a Prophet Odro and Moisha yanko post in mercy na ntoko we ya Prophet Kofi Odro pa kun o person say Moisha Budona, Obi Kuno, Kojini free in Sem Naviatona because you can't snatch somebody's husband. How? Welcome back, guys. Also saying that you can't snatch people's husbands and go free. Prophet Odro, also Prophet Kofi Odro tells Moisha Budon. What in common I say? Was say untimi enfim among phonum kunum enfiri amunsem na feel say life be kosoma and I feel so be okay definitely bibi beto atama sofo panini Prophet Kofi Odro e ka che Moisha no papa be so che say e bia durumre bi na Moisha gege amanfo no kunum efiri amunsem ai papa na be so che say mre bi na Moisha gege amanfo no kunum efiri amunsem o ma amanfo bi mosu mamfo bi asu wakosai home bi Nyankopon na bless home no se no say yawari bu Nyankopon kasansa wo mu teneteni ye yawari bu Nyankopon himself and put it together entu kwa ye say we yes slave queen we are shawo ni we say oba sa home no be sa home na oni Nyankopon nya and na so fu Kofi Oduro be so kire say Moisha you can't snatch people's husband and go free and me so me ade you can't spoil people's home enije home joy home antiase wo de woto wo de onofo no abesai peace no ye framo husband snatchers mojeje amanfo no mu kunu no santi so for do person che say untimi nkoje obi kunu untimi nse obi fie na wani nje o moishia nti amanfo fie na o say ne ma na omo su no untimi say bi ni su na ye o sa no yes amono mo woto mo no fo nti maje amanfo kunu be say amanfo fie ene we know I'm not preaching that but untimi say the aba no abrabo na nye izo ntina banfo so we fo nsa no ahwe ode e fo nsa senipa nsa tu udi awra awe afra nsa moisia bodo akotere ba bia awe ne nsa afra fo nsa because now she thought say she was on top of the world, she's doing whatever she want to do and obi antiminya na she does whatever she want to do or she feels oji amanfo kunu dia obemu ohwani mu oji amanfo ku bebre kunu njo so mu ohwani mu. Now you are sick. I don't know whether it's true or not, but you are not feeling fine. Honestly speaking, you are really sick. I don't know how true is it, but you're so yare. And utie papa odro punchline in the year. Next Moisha, what did German for Mukunu? What's a man for him home? And our baby or how? Only your coupon upon to the sense say, oh, man, it's in this war as a matter. Shanoson. Maybe you feel okay, so my gene kunu, my send if you BBNC, but. Seno sa akwantu ne wa egusu kona de kone be so wakwam anso na be so kire ho moisia so obi ka kire ne se obenya stroke obi ka kire ne se asem be to no da bi se kwan ka onyini da se so bi hye ne nkompa ka onyini da. I tell you se so bi chi moisia si wo se he ade a wuye otu ya wakoye onufu ya wakoye obodi ya wakoye ya wo se wo de be gya won fokunu ade am de wo hwe nwie o ya aka moisia ko njindi an ko be di so for corona tem but on the SCA. Me say I'm not here. Me jina I'm not preaching. I'm not happy. Tene menye obi amani age e won situation no owom and I'm not preaching say onko so no onyare but asem ni bi na ye twede ene odim komo no because ebia in her era obi tu no for the net na se ka se boisia jaide wuye yo amfo no kunu ya odigi ebeduru bibi beto o ebia oswabi nipa no osnobo na sabei obi anim onto se ono amoisia beba ebe soro one day because oh asawasi bi ka chem se amfo no kunu ya medigi minwe o na mantie because as it stands now obi anim the course obi se de nim ba bia de ni free ankasa o moisia ya de no me amegina de me se nim se free ha na se free ha but Sofu kofi oduro person kire say you can't snatch people's husband and go free. Let's say man no yen sa man nto man bi ukotu obi asema na de bi so ade atuofo man no mo so afa na musisu no eye mo say amanfo no mu kunu na mo bagege mo ankasa mo nam se mo nisuban mo nyama se mo benya bie mo nyama se mo no bi be hya ase mo de already made na mo penti mo ankasa mo nye sika na mo de yem huye in the name of somebody obi kunu moisia life ni bisu da o ma sa open ne to na wire no open no fo na wire na se no so se ne life na onamu no so da o twen stroke ni da o twen edam no da o twen because ujije amanfo no kunu dia obehu anim sister na obi den kan kire o won se na kronfo kura ye te no obi akowi ade ne ye kina we de we esi bu no enti me says ade we akowi na anya spiritual no enya physical no spiritual bibi besi mo pasa de ni nche mutirim say yancho physical spiritual bibi besi o and kebe boss and yancho physical dan say be spiritual go most of the time spiritual na manfo ni o mbejimo what you say amanfo ni o bejo uni nyame bia o beje obi twajo spiritual ye be lock wa to so obewu ene moisia be say obenya naka o ka say die asimre bi atwam nyina onwuya nka but a thief of time. We are sister number and she's really sick. Me dem say me nya ni nko he and me nya da je nko ho and some of the band there it means the lady is really sick. Yempa mu nka no kura bi ana moisha no kura bi wa pa mu ka na osuru nyankro pon ko de ba tas fada si ona betima bibia bo me mitim nya hwema ho de betima ya mo an say me be kan wasem bi nam na koto online na menya kolikoli bi ho. Aside that, I can't do anything for you. Shadow to say me do me dear me the Kemesa Stabilotrice eka aboafono Kusikazwa eka aboafono Sana Rogers Beauty Palace eka aboafono. Yem correct another video. Na we ne a video of a Kumawood actress Sandra. lady we no ya me fe pa Miss Sandra na odi nkomo bi yan komra sisi e
sa na so for me bi no ye
na me wura sorry dem me nkwa so be 3 years na me sa sorry dem da
hey
most of that so for no me say I know them it's na me nkwa sorry so bi hu ya me pass sorry because me hu papa bi e wom na makobi
now him
say me di tia de ekoso nti e hu hia
ti be ba bibi say no say nipa one ne ko no e bia na odo so aware be wa ana no no wa ware it is so ba ho no mo wa dream na den na wo ka
my dream e dey me dey say me dey sugar daddy na me na twem na me dey my dream dey oh fi sata na ohia wo hu ti sata na wa ba isle gon why she
it won't show den e yire ho kra sa honhom sam na ya o mo kekeka no unji ni ba kokra o
debi
honhom bia ni ba bia ah o mo keka kire ye no e dey ti na wakasa e dey ti na ma wakasa
me see before crap say software mechanic before kwasa me na ko twim plan na sorry na me call ya san e be start ya twim so imagine what happened say that me kan atimasi
e dey see ye
they see them see me church mu ba me ko say me ko hia moa me ko say me hia moa nti na me call ba moa na che na afi de ye be me
emoa wo honhom mo
say moa honhom say e bia me ye na me bia nkoso ma
okay
me hu ni say me sasa na me hu ni say when people promise me they don't do it for me as a promise and fail so that's why I went there Saturday na nipa no na raining and me say okay then let me go and try this one if say me no they asked me to pay some money I paid the money then it was a no one
and no do question in the office and no be catch us so apel
one for man question in the office so it was
and I said one case was who ya na mo out
na ni bo me so na na what is when say they me kan fa no say me twɛn no when see cry me ade am de buy no say me twɛn
and o buy no say
welcome back guys ukwa video of Miss Sandra or say I don't believe in man of God. No man of God has any spirit of God working in him. Reason I don't go to church. Miss Sandra and one beautiful lady our Ghana movie industry. One beautiful lady, Miss Sandra. I really like her a lot. She's not loud. She's not noisy. You won't even see her at work. And for this woman to state it clear, say or no, Gentia for the past 3 years on Kwaso, only say so-called men of God no more want they are not men of God, they are not real men of God because omo petre, remember to say bi wa one ya kra no kra no wanya encounter or cause of money we at na so for bepe no into no ne consultancy fee o twa no o sa agina de fi so for no tiene yo obi akoso for mo asa so for if you ba ifu okumio enoma bi nko no say disappointment am for promising na which is promise and fail na sad yi koso tie sister yi na sister aba wo say papa so for me pacho me no mabra ba me bo edi o say promise and fail da mabra bo isunti manyankopon fa so na sa promise and fail nyankopon obi mame a so for no say o persist no abra so for ya we say wa wade wo yire we unya so for etwa ne obetima dibio da bi me dem tim nyawe pussy is rich man's food say unya so for say unyintum say o so for a man mu betima ya ma asem ni bia but also ye so for so ye nyame nipa mo condemn yen mo condemn act bia sa act ni kwase so for be you can just condemn an act now so mfa chire nko ye bi so for nimpon a obi aba wo for moa say manyankopon fa so moa no o se wo pe no obi a wawade abuafunu pete dunya meduma na no abi nie na meduma na mo kana ACI o so lose so onko twa no o twa no so to ji sister no ane wono obi a so o ye sofo a wayi nwasi wasa wo ye nyameduma wa wade nka nwale kwada me se obi a edua na dwa no ho kire no you've married o wa yire enti wo problem sa ne biem so when I say worry me no sister me wa yire so me sa apel me woro aka me yire ho problem ni wo dan sa oni sister ne betwempena you call yourself man of God mu yesa na mu say asofudwuma no yan kan tira mansa e mane nya say wo kwase sem na odi ninti wo sofo kwase mpanyi ninti nyame difo ni wo nyame nipa ni wo hwe we have rare men of God omo ye nyame adwuma wo kromo a nyankopon de no asofo ni bi ye adwuma no doubt anya gudi emo bi nada we have rare men of God nyankopon kasa fo mu omo ti nyankopon ne Emma 2x4 different ndada. And I'm out 2x4 different in you say nyame nipa bia ni ha. We have great men of God o me nyame adwuma. Ade. So for bia ba na so for e me nyame mfa so mo me no kwase o de edie abuafunu wetin say o street no won kola no. Me Sandra wona me nim say won money din won kan kire me wo de wo say won kan kire me ka be na hunanim ka be ni turum say atin fifre me Sandra so wo timi kan pe ko chima me fifre say atin turum because on my side ro won timi ko jam puppet entiatem tie man of God preach ye de embe ye atna wo condemn wo puppet no won be fa kire nkoye okoro bu Peter be pay wan Paul wan munya sa life no ye nyina ye Masa, you know what say na amene. You know what say na amene. And they men of God also omo nyam dwuma no. Na they are chasing women. They are chasing women. Men of God are busy chasing women. They are not chasing the word of God. They are rather busy chasing women. On phone so our crew. Now I'm fighting them from different no one worry. Is your first girl now kwa sorry. Your first girl is you better so them anya so no koyo. So for one until not to or try ni daily akofie. Or try akwaji ni daily or so for akofie. Wa man so say adinsa chebi na dabi. One so for da. One so for shisha oduru ba so le. Na mo de mo nkoso nye. Bible na ka cho se mani nyina nyinimum. Wa so we say ye hwe u jimi na ye mo nyina bom na to je wa. So you know better than bodani. Edini ya watu boto generate ke social media preke ko masemeyo eke political genuine. Minimum dim ko bi say oba social media na spiritual manner or authentic spiritual manner obi eboni dia eno ani Rabbi Nigel. Watu moto me na maka chem se monko Rabbi Nigel in terms of spiritual problems. Nyankopon be fa na to ayi bibia mamo. Se monko na se mo asem bi asusi am be kan kire me. Mesremo Rabbi Nigel Nyankopon de ni ya adwuma pa wa testimonies for sumwa no be no be ka kire nyame de ni ya adwuma nti se unya spiritual man ko ade a ko social media na TikTok do ko about Rabbi Nigel we great man me si bibia si wo no be ka kire me e de ni ya watomoto generate ke social media president out chira me